rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I look horrible right now, but it's 10:06 and I'm about to go get breakfast and then go to my eyelash appointment because they're struggling. And I uploaded last night and right now I'm replying to comments. So I just want to say thank you if you're watching all my Vlogmas videos. That means the world to me. And yeah, let's go get these puppies filled because oh gosh, I miss them looking really good. So let's go. Just got my eyelashes done. I don't know why there's glitter all over my face. Ew, I look really... Hey guys, so we just went to this store and we were in there for like 2 hours and my mom got a lot of stuff. But also, they went to Target while I was getting my eyelashes done and my mom got me a sweater and I saw it. So Merry Christmas.
It was for Christmas.
There's so glitter on my face. Also, right now we're at Chick-fil-A and I know I keep on going to Chick-fil-A in my vlogs, but this is where my mom took it. And then we have to go to a family friend's birthday party. I'm getting ready to go to a birthday party for a little kid. It's a family friend and I also babysit for them every single day after school. So that's what I'm getting ready for. And once again, I'm doing my makeup. Wow, Hannah's life is so interesting. I don't really know what I'm doing later. I feel kind of like low energy today. So yeah, that sucks. But I'm just gonna go do that. And then I wanna do some Christmassy tonight, but I don't know if I will. I also really need to clean my room because normally I clean my room on Saturdays and like the weekend, so we'll see. And if I don't do too much today, I know I'm just gonna make this vlog go into tomorrow too. So yeah, I really want to get my nails done at some point this weekend, but I don't know if that'll happen either. Also, my skin is like suffering. I guess it's from the cold weather. I'm not really sure, but it's like so ugly right now and dry and I just hate it. So yeah, I'm getting ready. You don't want to see me do my makeup again.
My sleeve.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Hi.
We're
all cuddled up.
We're gonna watch Home Alone. By the way, I went to that party and then I went to dinner with my family and then I'm here now. Look
They don't know where you are.
No, because I was sad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She's at my house, guys. This is my house. And yeah. We're watching Home Alone and then we're gonna make cookies. So
Christmas cookies.
How did you know exactly where to put it, Hannah?
I just was thinking about it for a second.
Okay.
Okay guys, we're about to make cookies. It's 10:56. We've been being tucked on the couch for a while. So first, do we even have a recipe?
Oh yes, it's on here.
Pee?
Y'all go check her out. My phone's on 2%.
I have to pee, y'all. Hold on. Powdered sugar?
Y'all go check it out.
Oh my god, this is horrible. These are so cute. Did you get all these, Serena?
Yeah, they're from Walmart. Salted butter. Okay, we're watching Hot Chocolate Hits video. She had a good little recipe going.
Hi guys, today
Hi guys.
It's like singing.
How do I freaking start this?
Ask our mom.
She's probably asleep. We always get her out of the bed. Okay.
Where's all of her?
So we're about to get the butter ready. I'm about to take the slime.
Hold on.
I'm taking your slap.
Okay, the butter is being cut back.
Shut up! And I tried to turn it off, but it just doesn't.
It won't go off. My mom has to come in here.
God, it's like... Oh.
Oh, there's one. Okay, now let's see what she said.
I'm sorry.
Guys, I'm sorry, I love this song.
We probably need to melt it. No.
Yeah, maybe a second.
Put it in the micro.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're mixing the butter and the sugar. Oh.
How do people do that? You know what I'm talking about, Hannah? It's like, the kids do it.
Yes, Serena?
Oh my god. Yes, that.
It like doesn't show our faces.
She has way more than us. Should we add more?
Now you're going to want to add a teaspoon and a half.
Can she slow down? I know, I need eggs.
Wait,
Maybe
we
we
should
need
add-
baking soda. We need more, don't we, guys?
Yes.
Did you not put as much as she did? Here, Hannah, cut that. Yes, I did, but I think she's making less than I.
Oh, I don't know how to see. Oh. Sorry, Hannah. Hannah's cutting the butter. I can't see it, so I don't know what I'm looking at. Where's Katie?
Like any good cookie recipe, you want to start by creaming your butter and sugar.
I'll just leave the eggs out.
Can you shut up? Granulated sugar. These work those ingredients together until they are well blended. To that mixture, you're going to add 2.
Can she slow down?
I know, like, damn, girl.
I don't want to crack it.
Too bad.
Serena, crack it. Oh, sorry guys. Half of it just fell out. Half of it is right here. Oh, should we scrape it in there? Yep. There's a shell. Yep, we're gonna scrape it. They're gonna be like, that is so gross.
That's like unsanitary.
Just scrape it in there because it might be going crazy.
Y'all, I'm scared. Just stick it in there.
Y'all, let me do it.
Okay, I'll just stick it.
I'm just gonna stick it. That's what I was saying, dude.
6 cups? No, we're gonna do 3.
But she said, alright guys, we're now laying them out and putting flour on them. I don't really understand our process. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to clean that up. Alright. Fresh makeup look coming soon on this lip, and this look, and this look. Put some more flour on.
Self-rising flour and baking soda and baking powder.
But they're cute though. I know, they're just
No.
puffy.
It's gonna be easy to decorate them.
I know.